Have you ever contemplated the profound connection between the ancient practice of yoga and your pursuit of joyful living? Breathe and smile. Yoga for joyful living isn't just about striking poses on a mat. It's an exploration of how the practice of yoga can be a transformative journey toward enhancing your emotional well-being, promoting joy and contentment, and ultimately leading to a more joyful and fulfilling life. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. How can something as ancient as yoga become a means to unlock the gates to your inner joy, soothe the turbulence of the mind, and lead you towards a life filled with happiness and contentment? Let's embark on a captivating journey into the world of yoga and its profound influence on your emotional and mental equilibrium. At the heart of Breathe and Smile, Yoga for Joyful Living, lies the understanding that yoga is a holistic practice that connects the body, mind, and spirit. This connection is instrumental in enhancing emotional well-being and experiencing joy. Yoga fosters emotional resilience. Through physical postures, asana, and breath control, you learn to navigate emotional discomfort with greater ease, ultimately leading to more emotional equilibrium and a sense of joy. Emotional balance is a cornerstone of yoga practice. By focusing on the present moment, being mindful of your breath, and observing your emotions without judgment, you gain insight and emotional intelligence that contributes to a joyful and contented state of mind. Meditation and mindfulness are integral components of yoga. These practices encourage you to calm the mind, reduce stress, and promote emotional balance. Regular meditation can lead to a more peaceful and contented state of being. Yoga often involves deep breathing techniques, which can influence your emotional state. By learning to control your breath and use it to calm the mind, you're better equipped to find joy in the present moment. Yoga is a source of emotional release. In the physical practice, you often encounter and work through emotional blocks stored in your body. This process can lead to a sense of emotional freedom and contentment. The act of practicing yoga often leads to a deeper sense of self-worth. When you engage in a regular yoga practice, you affirm the importance of self-care and well-being, promoting a sense of contentment and inner joy. Yoga can be contagious in its ability to spread joy. When you find joy in your practice, you often inspire joy in others, creating a positive, uplifting atmosphere for all who encounter your practice. Moreover, yoga is a tool for personal growth. It encourages you to explore self-discovery, emotional balance, and mindfulness, ultimately leading to a more fulfilling and contented life. In conclusion, Breathe and Smile, Yoga for Joyful Living, is an invitation to prioritize yoga as a transformative element in your pursuit of joy, emotional contentment, and personal growth. It's a reminder that joy can be found in the practice of yoga, through nurturing your body and soul with intentionality, care, and love. By incorporating the principles of yoga into your life, you can unlock a lasting source of inner joy, emotional contentment, and a profound sense of fulfillment that enriches your daily existence. So, with each asana, deep breath, and moment of mindfulness, envision it as an opportunity to breathe and smile, promoting joy, contentment, and a profound sense of happiness, one practice at a time. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.